Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to check your MMR in Valorant. So, basically guys, Valorant ranking system is just typically like in League of Legends and other games from Riot Games. And this MMR works with and the like specifically the ranked games of Riot Games actually works with a hidden MMR system. So that means that there is no way to see your MMR or to see other players' MMR value. So basically you will literally never see your MMR, and this is like basically a real statement or official statement from Riot Games about it. But when you go into a ranked game for the first time, basically they actually calculate, for example, before you achieve the level 20 to be able to play ranked games, they will give you like a random MR based on the performance that you did in the unrated match. And because they think that you have this MMR, for example, they will think that you have an MMR between 200 and 600, they will give you the 200 because they will give you the most least MMR possible in order to make the game more fair. And basically, you can get the idea about your MMR. For example, they give you, for example, in my case, they gave me bronze 2. How can I know my MMR? Basically, as you can see here, I'm still getting 25 per win. That means my MMR is higher than this rank and it's above bronze 2 and bronze 1. Maybe I'm about silver 2 or silver 1. So how you can know that basically is it depends on your game. So now as you can see, I win, I gain 24. When I lose, I gain like I get -8. So basically this is the only way to actually know your MMR. Like you can't get the real number, but you can guess that your MMR is higher or equal or less than your rank. For example, if you were higher, you'll get 20 and more. If it was equal, you will get like 15, 14, 16 sometimes, and even 17. And if it was like less than your rank, you will get sometime 8, 9, or something like that per game. So yeah guys, that was it with today's video. Unfortunately you can't check your MMR, but the only way to see it is based on your gain of air in your ranked games. So yeah guys, that was it with today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like. If you have any other questions, leave them down below, and thank you guys for watching again.